Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. This is going to be kind of a fun one. I got these Kospet Tank T4 with pocket power and a premium Marchland leather strap here. So let's check these out. So we have this little box here. Inside, it's got a little power pocket too, and our instructions and stuff like that. All right. Oh, wow. This is pretty sweet. Knox 360 shield structure. This has a nice hefty weight to it. We got this nice supple, I like the rubber band here. Super cool. This is like waterproof. Oh, wow. Check that out. Sweet looking watch there. That one might nap. This little pocket power thing. So these are sold like separately, but this thing should have its own little, it's got basically its own little charge there. So let's set that on there and see. Okay, so pretty sweet little cord here. It's got a little lanyard here too, so we can put that in our pocket. And then we have this super nice premium leather band here. Oh, wow. Look at that. That is really nice. If you guys like a leather for a little bit more of a sophisticated look with the watch, there is that. So first impression seems like super heavy duty. Nice. Got a little lanyard here. We can hook that on there. I like the colors. Docking station, stuff like that. So, and we're gonna allow. There we go. Okay, cool. Kospet Tank T4 connecting. Go. Oh, that's hot water. Okay, this should be good up to like, yeah, we can see even in here, screen still work as far as like swiping. I think the buttons will still work. Yeah, we can see it changing the weather. Maybe the screen can't recognize swiping. This is hot water, so it's a little different. And then as soon as we take it out, it swipes up and down just fine. Buttons work just fine. You can see nice and responsive, even if it's wet on there. So that's good. Let's do a pressure water test now here. Even if the water pressure blasting on it. Supposed to be the IPX69 rating, K rating, is just basically renders it impervious to any kind of water or dust issues at all. So that's really cool. As we can see, still able to function perfectly fine here. Well, all right, let's just. This is a concrete floor, tossing it up in the air. Stainless steel, Gorilla Glass 3. Looks pretty good, no cracked screen, which is nice. Key test. You got keys in your pocket or whatever. Try to scratch up the screen. Okay, so that had its screen protector on there, and that was the part that got damaged. And not really damaged, but it got marked up a little bit. Now this is without the screen protector on here. And we can see that There's no damage here. That's what I was wondering. I was like, oh wow, how was it scratching? And it wasn't. It was just a screen protector, which is just a little plastic thing that goes on there. And it comes with an extra one in the box too. So yeah, this, as you can see here, there is no scratches on there, no damage or anything like that. So very, very durable. All right, here we can see, we just throw this on the charger here. After that stress test, still working just fine. Just a little bit of a scratch here. And sometimes like these have a coating on the outside of the cover. It's some kind of a different coating that's over the Gorilla Glass, and that's what actually has a little scratch in, not the Gorilla Glass. But let's change out the band here real quick. Everything's working fine. So it has this little lever right there. You just kind of press that in, pop that out. Check that out. Just absolutely the easiest thing ever. If you have a little fingernail, slip that in there, pop that out. Oops. So there you go, just like that. Simple to do. And we want to put in our other one. Slick as you please, no problem. Put that little first hole in there, slip that backwards, and hopefully, there we go. It's that simple, guys. If you ever changed out a watch band before, you know that they can be kind of rough. I'm gonna check out the app here. I did a little bit of walking. And this right here, just stick it in the hole there. Get the first one in. Put it in, push this down, slide it under. That's simple. Look at that. No problem. And look how elegant that is. So whether you want this strap or the other one, a little bit higher class looking one there, nice leather if you prefer that over the other one. I like the little charging thing here. The wireless is very cool. All right, guys, let's check out some of the stuff on the app here. So the app has, like, you got your watch face store. You get all these different watch faces. I just went with a simple, like, just a little clock one here. We can switch back to our other things. Check out our weather. We can go to, it has all that on there, the forecast for forever. I mean, this has so much stuff on here. It's really, swipe down, there's our sleep for the day, how we did, the heart rate. I think we have stress monitor on here too, training. Click up here, we have the up and down buttons if you don't want to swipe. And then we have back button here and then your menu buttons. So calculators right there, just hit back if you want to go away from there. You can just move up and down on here. So we have all these different things. So the workout I did, indoor running, track running, country running, snowboarding, diving. Oh, it's just honestly a lot of stuff here. Go to training plans or my workout records. So I did 0.68 miles. You can click on that. It's going to show you, like, you can go to your, let's see here, workout. Workout duration, distance, steps, calories, average step rate, all that stuff. So it just tells you a lot of different things here. Heart rate, if you want to go to that, it's going to show you today's status, your settings about the heart rate and things like that. So blood oxygen, stress, mood, measurement, activity, sleep, calls, you can do your calls, notifications, weather, alarms, calendar. Definitely you can play your music on here. Hit that. That's really cool. You can skip songs, crank up the volume. I was working up in my attic and I needed some tunes to help motivate me. Just had my watch on. We got our, I don't know if it's like, oops, rotate the watch as shown to calibrate. I don't know what that means. We'll rotate it as shown. Rotate the watch. Anyways, we have a, I don't know if the magnet in there is messing that up. You got the barometric pressure. altitude, where we're at. Yeah, there's the GPS. We have the mapping, navigation. Okay, out of the wind a little bit there, we can see there's Castle Rock. And then right here on this, I can slide it over. You can see it pulls up on the GPS right there. And then if I want to find my original location, I just tap that button. So there I am on the crossroad here by the beach. And then I can go over here and you can see how fast that's loading the different roads and things like that on there. And then we go back to where I'm at. So pretty sweet. I can zoom in here also. We're at 200 meters and zoom in more. And we can see the different roads as we move this along over here. I'll see if it'll show me the airport over here or not. So depending on where you're at, the GPS is going to have different reactions. So we got an airport over here. I can hit that to center myself to where I am again, find myself on the map. Should be right there. Okay. But yeah, really cool. And we can zoom out, zoom to 50, zoom out, 200. So the ocean is like literally right over here. There's Castle Rock. I wonder if it'll show me the lighthouse and stuff too. So it loads on there pretty quick, guys. Pretty sweet. All right, let's check out some of the things on here. We got workouts, training plans, workout records, heart rate, blood oxygen level, stress, mood, measurements, heart measurements, activity, sleep, calls, notifications, weather, alarms, calendar, music, calculator, compass, barometric. We can just check out some of the stuff on here. Barometric pressure, has the altitude. We got the GPS, enter manually, go back. Compass here, check that out, pretty sweet. We tells us where we're going, north, south. Very cool. Go back. Calculator, we got all that stuff on there. If I want to listen to my music, pull up my calendar, see what's going on. Alarms, I can set up when I want to be waking up and all that. Notifications, calls, sleep, activity. So we got a ton of stuff on here, guys. It's super useful. Even got a little flashlight on there. Boom, pretty bright. Walkie-talkies, ambient temperature right now 87 in here. A little warm. We got settings, watch face, time, settings, date, display, sounds and vibration, map manager, workout settings, Bluetooth settings. All these things, guys, just a ton of stuff, battery health. And yeah, super user friendly, as we can see. A lot of nice handy stuff on here, guys. And there's even more. Find phone, camera remote, timer, stopwatch, exercise, world clock, sun and moon. World clocks. You can add those if you want those on your cities. Breathing exercises. So just a ton of stuff on here, guys. And we can see that the app has a lot of stuff here as well. You go to the watch face store, and you can get the different watch faces that you want to sync onto there. Let's see, you have different watches on there. You can go to your achievements. It's going to tell you, here's what I did on this day, longest distance run, all of the stuff. So you can really track a lot of your things on here as far as like working out. Your weekly activity report, not a whole lot going on. You can set your goals, what you want to do. Steps, calories, weight management, ideal BMI. We can change the weight trajectory where we want. So if you're into working out or whatever, this thing helps you set your goals, permissions, third-party apps. We got your workout here, training plan, outdoor walking, everything here. It'll show you like where you walked and everything like that. So I think I can show my map here. Yeah, so it shows the map where I walked to, how far I went. Man, it just really breaks it down here. Average cadence, steps, beats per minute, heart rate, average heart rate, maximum speed, calories. It's just, I mean, you could get really in depth in here. Check this out. This is a lot of data on this, so that's pretty sweet. We go to the home. It's telling the today's goal, the heart rate. When I was wearing it, I took it off at night. the stress, blood oxygen level, peaceful. So everything on here, guys. If you're looking for a pretty burly watch, check out the Tank T4 here. It's pretty gnarly. So far so good. Water stuff dropping, it's not going to hurt this thing. It's just going to last. It seems like it's going to last a long time. So the app is super useful too. Uploaded it. I got, like I said, I have maps downloaded on it. It's actually got quite a bit of memory on this thing too. So you can download songs onto it as well. Just a very cool watch, guys. I'm super happy with it. Thanks for watching this review. I hope it's helpful. If you guys want to check it out, I'll link it in the description below. But yeah, pretty sweet watch, my friends. Also, this is just a fraction of the price of most like smartwatches, and this does pretty much everything that I've seen the other ones do, as far as literally like everything on this app that you've seen and everything on the phone. It's pretty crazy. So yeah, I think it's a couple $100 for this. Other watches are $400, $500, or $600. So anyways, my friends, thanks for watching. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.